Lutong Hydraulic Piped Fittings Factory is founded since 1998. Lutong focuses on the high-quality hydraulic pipe fittings products. With more than 20 years hard working in hydraulic field, Lutong can offer various hydraulic pipe fittings which can meet most of clients' needs. We produce JIC, MPT, SAE, BSB, JIS, flange, ferrule, one-piece fittings, and reusable fittings. Lutong has our own engineers who are able to design and improve the products. That's why Lutong can offer good quality products and goods are hot sales in a lot of countries. Nowadays, Lutong hydraulic pipe fittings are hot sales in USA, Europe, Peru, Mexico, Brazil, and other countries' markets. And Lutong also has the ability of OEM. Lutong professional engineers can check clients' samples and drawings so we can produce items exactly same as clients' needs. We can assure you that we are able to offer you good quality products with good after-sales service. In order to offer the best service and products for clients, Lutong can offer free samples for clients' tests. Good price, good quality, best service, which make Lutong Factory to be a reliable manufacturer in China. Welcome to purchase and send inquiries to us.